This is Ross.
And I'm Kara.
And I'm their daughter, Bailey.
And we're the faces behind DIY on the house.
On our channel, you will see a variety of videos.
From rug weaving, crocheting,
doing projects around the house, to working on your vehicles.
You'll see other faces on our channel as well,
including our sons Garrett and Ryan.
Or my husband, Nicholas. We provide new content every week, and we love hearing from you and answering your questions.
And you want to know the best part about subscribing? It's free.
Scratch that.
It's on the house.
That was
really good.